Hello, today we're going to unbox our two plastic plaque cards. One is VDI 3400 textures and the other one is SPI Fiinish. Okay, let's look at the VDI 3400 first. Let's open it up. So each card comes with a plastic case to avoid scratches or damage during transportations. The cards come with two sides. Each side have 6 different plaques. Now let's look at the front side. It covers VDI 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Okay, let's look at the other side. Is a little bit rougher. VDI 30, VDI 33, 36, 39, 42, and 45. The good things about our VDI cards, it has value for RAI and RT and also draft degree. Take an example for VDI 45. You can see the value for RAI is 18 and RT is 85 and the draft degree required is 10 degrees. Next, let's check out a few plastic parts to make our VDI cards. So first, let's take a look at this plastic grip. You have two textures. This is a little bit lighter and it's the rougher one. The other one is about VDI 30 and the rough one is about VDI 39. The good thing is about car about plastic car can feel actually feel for the plastic comparing to the metal. You can see. Yep. Okay, let's check the other part. This part is also made from VDI 30. You can touch and feel. This one, the green one is about the VDI 27. Okay, let's unbox the VDI Fiinish card. The same comes with a plastic case. So the card has two sides. Also have 6 different plaques. Let's take a close look. SPI A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and B3. Let's check the other side. This is SPI C1, C2, C3, D1, D2, D3. From D1 to D3 is same plastic. Next, let's check some plastic parts to make our SPI Fiinish card. So this is the plastic made from acrylic. It's done by the SPI A1. It's mirror polishing. You can check. And this part, you can see there was marks of the polishing. This part is judged by SPI C1. Can you see? Okay, thank you for watching.